Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've created this brown smoky eye look with glitter liners. So if you wanna see how I did this look, then please keep on watching. I've already done my eyebrows, and for the base makeup I'll be taking the orange corrector from the Imagic palette and apply that on my face. This will help me to get rid of dark spots and pigmentation. For foundation, I'll be mixing NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation and Maybelline Superstay foundation. At first, I'll dot it on my face and then blend it with a beauty sponge. For concealer, I'll be using the Popfeel concealer in the shade FA02. To set my entire face, I'll be using the Focallure loose powder in the shade 02. To bring back some color on my face, I'll be mixing these two shades from the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. Now, to bronze up my face, I'll be using this darker shade from the Nicka Duo Contour Kit. To highlight the highest points of my face, I'll be using this lavender shimmer from the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice palette. For eye makeup, I'll be using the shade Attached from the Makeup Revolution Mischief matte palette and apply that on my entire eyelid. This will help me to set my concealer that I applied as my eyeshadow primer, and this will also help me blend the colors properly. Now I'll be taking this brown shade from the Beauty Glazed color board palette and apply that as my transition shade. Now I'll be taking the shade Upper Hand and apply that on my eye socket and also on my eyelids. Now I'll be taking this darker brown shade and define my eye look even more. Now, using the shade Upper Hand again, I'll be blending all the colors together. Now, using a clean blending brush, I'll be blending the edges. To draw a wing liner, I'll be using the Nicka matte eyeliner. Now, I'll be using this Maybelline gel liner on my waterline. To blend the kajal, I'll be using the shade Upper Hand on my lower lashes. For a dramatic glitter liner, I'll be using the silver glitter liner. I'll be applying it right above my black eyeliner. For mascara, I'll be using the Imagic Giant Brush Mascara. For false lashes, I'll be using the Revlon lashes in the style L43. To highlight my brow bone and inner corners, I'll be using this shade from the Beauty Glazed color board palette. For lipstick, I'll be using Kayz Cosmetics Liquid Lipstick in the shade Latte and Nude Pink. Also, you can use my code BLAST by Noshin for 10% off. And this is the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial and I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Also, I've listed all the product details and other information in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out.